Hi everyone, myself and Arun Kumar from SNS College of Technology. In this video, we are going to discuss about Application Layer Protocol (FTP) File Transmission Protocol. So these are the slides we are going to see in this video. Connections. Once if you are forwarding any information from server to client, the connection is to be needed because based on the connection only the client has to be connected. So here we are using TCP IP has been used to connect the server from client. So the TCP is a transmission control protocol. It can control, it can transmit any kind of data from the server. While giving the connection to the client, it can access the internet by using this internet protocol process. Based on this TCP/IP, we can access the data from servers, and it can be access the data or internet connections by using these IP models connections. The data are forwarded from server as a numbers. Once the number has forwarded to the client side, then the client has received as a ASCII2 numbers because every data has forwarded from server side as a numbers. Then based on the numbers, the users client has been received the numbers as a ASCII2 number or EBCD numbers or image type. So based on these three type, the receiver side also receive the data. Communication ASCII to the base control process send the information as ASCII to numbers. Then it can be fetched to the client side. NVT. So the NVT is network virtual terminal model. It is based on the tele network connections. So Telenet is a tele-type network connection. We can access multiple number of clients in this model so that we can accessing the same data from the server to different clients by using this telenet, and moreover it can be given the internet connection to common from NVT characteristics. Just once the telenet type has access, then we can use the character like internet data, then we can able to fetch the information from telenet. The command processing, so these are some commands while forwarding the data from server to clients. First one is access commands, acknowledgement, and file management is whether data has reached, and data formatting is data has been fetched originally, and port defining means once the data has to be fetched based on the number of ports, and file transfer is whether received or not. These are the commands need to be checked while forwarding the data from server to client. File transfer, already we have discussed that ASCII to file and EBCDIC file and image file. So these are the files to be forwarded from server to clients. This has to be fetched based on the client based informations. Three type of file transfers. So one is cloud storage and file compression and file transfer protocol. So cloud storage means it can access multiple number of data such as it has a more number of 1 TB or 100 GB means we can access by using this cloud storage. Accessing data has to be stored in cloud storage. And file compression means if you want to forwarding any data as the mentioned data means, then we can compress the data. For example, 10 GB has to be compressed to 5 GBs, and then we can able to transmit as a file transfer protocol. And at the same time we can send from server to clients means we can use this file transfer protocol at more number of such as LAN connection, or we can access the same data, same net internet connection to the entire system means we can use this file transfer protocol process. So here the client has been received the data. If they any error found, then automatically the data has been fetched, it is forwarded to the server side. So example of this user interface, the name has person and password as something is given means FTP has access as a user and report. Once the name and password has matched, then it can be processed. The protocol has been processed, then it is moved to the next step. Suppose anonymous, if your data has been accessed by anonymous means, then it is also forwarding the encryption or authentication process to the users. So like this, we can able to know that anonymous FTP has been verified. Assessment. Suppose a software company uses the FTP, daily backup files from their branch office to the center server. Recently, during the security audit, it is discovered that username, password, and backup files are being transmitted in a plain text. So this problem has to be avoided by using this STP, FTP as SFTP, Secure File Transfer Protocol. So here, based on the transport layer security, we can able to check the concern file process, and then we can able to transmit the information to the client side. So this is the one of the safest protocol FTP process, which is to be used for banking process. Thank you.